to tell you about the afternoon I sat down to try this for just 10 minutes, and then I looked up and it was dark outside and I had missed dinner. This is the diamond painting experience in a nutshell. You have been warned. The 5D diamond painting kit showed up and I opened it mostly out of curiosity. Here's how it works. You get a pre-printed canvas with gorgeous sea of flowers design, and each section has a symbol that corresponds to a color. You pick up these tiny full rounded gem crystals with the little drill pen tool and you place them one by one onto the sticky canvas. That's it. That is literally the whole thing. And it's so satisfying that it should probably come with some kind of warning label. The canvas is 12 by 16 inches, which sounds modest, but when it's finished and hanging on the wall, it genuinely looks like something you bought at an art gallery. Everything comes in the kit: the canvas, the gems, the pen tool, the tray, all of it. You just open the box and start. No art experience needed, no special skills, and no previous crafting history is required. I really like this kit, and I think you will too. Thanks for watching.